Hello guys and welcome back. This is Rahim back with another product release video, and today we are going to see about a Titan Edge mechanical watch. Slimmest mechanical watch by an Indian watchmaker. Since the launch in 2002, Titan Edge has crafted some of the slimmest timepieces the world has ever seen. Edge Calibre 903, it's a beautifully crafted movement, and Titan has used 106 delicately machined metal parts to carefully assemble and create a magical play of a time. The thickness of the watch is 2.2 mm. Isn't it great? The movement is ultra slim and uses 18 jewels to reduce the friction between moving parts and has a power reserve of 42 hours. The movement of the watch is celebrated with a clear sapphire back showcasing the complicated bridge side with a formalized window on the dial side, bringing alive mechanical complexity of the watchmaking. This watch is well architectured with a surgical grade stainless steel and the sapphire crystal. The strap of the watch is integrated with a rich brown leather for a perfect fit on your wrist. The Titan Edge Mechanical is a limited edition collection with only of 200 watches and is priced at INR 1,95,000. Yes, it's only 1,95,000. I believe the price is at the higher side. However, if you want to buy this watch, Titan Edge Mechanical is exclusively available at selected World of Titan and Helios watch stores. You can also do an online appointment at titan.co.in and discover the exclusive collection. Well, that's it for now guys. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.